Welcome everyone. This video is based on making a GitHub account. So go to your browser. I'm currently using Chrome. You might be using Firefox, Edge, Safari, or Opera. Okay, once you get to your browser, type in github.com. That's GITHUB.com. Again, it's G as in goat, I as in igloo, T as in Tom, H as in Henry, U as in up, B as in boy.com. Once you type that in the browser and enter, you'll be presented with this page. So go ahead and go to the sign up button, click that, and you'll be presented with username, email, and password. For the username, this is what people are going to see on your GitHub. Okay? And it's best to make it professional because recruiters, people you collaborate with, will see your username. So go ahead and use your first and last name or something professional. Okay? For the purpose of this video, I am going to use this as a test. So I'm going to put video test emails at gmail.com, and I'm going to enter my password. Okay, so video at gmail.com. Put my username here and my email address right here. Okay, so password, I put my password. Okay, verify. Basically, they're trying to verify your account, make sure that you're human. So go ahead and click the spiral, and click the spiral again, and create an account. Great, you created a GitHub account. Now after you see this page, you move your mouse, your cursor all the way up here, you left click it, you move down to settings, and you're on the left side, it says account and settings. You scroll down until you see emails, this email section. Left click it, and it says videotest@gmail.com. Yours may say different, but it's unverified. So what we have to do is we have to go to our email address and verify this. So go to Gmail. I'm using Gmail. You might be using Yahoo, AOL, etc. So I'm going to go to my email. So video test emails at gmail.com. Okay. Now I'm logging in. Okay, I logged in. It says please verify your email address. So almost done. Videos, test emails. To complete your GitHub sign up, we need to verify your email address. So go ahead and click this verification email. Good, your email was verified. So go back to the email settings tab and go over here and reload page. Great, video test emails at gmail.com primary. Now go ahead and click this off top left and go to your profile. And this is your profile. See, your name may say different. Mine says video test emails. And there you go. You created a GitHub account. Congratulations. Thank you.